To the people who have keyboard clicking sounds on their phone, what's your reasoning for not turning it off? My parents both have the vibration and sound on for typing because they say it feels more tactile. They can feel when they hit a letter, so it's easier for them to catch typos. I fell down some steps and broke both my arms. My husband wiped my butt and helped me shower, wash my hair, for weeks. For better or worse. That was definitely filed under worse. So the people filming my drama TV show know I'm typing. Super late to the party here. But I knew it was over when she started a fight at my brother's funeral because female attendees were giving me hugs as part of condolences. I normally just keep the phone on silent so it doesn't matter. Also NGL, it's kinda satisfying, so when I turn off silent it's just a fun bonus. If I'm around other people, I silence it because I can imagine it's annoying to others. However, if I'm by myself, I keep it on because I quite enjoy the sound. I'm hard of hearing and I didn't know there were clicking sounds. Oops. They're off now. Apologies to anyone I've shared space with over the years. Flushed face. It tells me when my phone isn't on silent. I don't need it going off in class. Outrunning the clowns in 2016. I like hearing how fast I can type. I don't know how to turn it off. And I don't really like it. I'm on an iPhone 6. Yes, it's old, but it does the job. Can you tell me how to turn it off? I turn them off when I'm going to be around people a lot, but I find it satisfying. I find it immensely satisfying. I'm not even kidding. I love it. It relaxes me. When I'm alone, I have it on because it's soothing. When I'm not alone, I have it off to not annoy people. I met the love of my life. I can hear my butt dial. Seriously, if my phone's in my pocket and I hear those sounds, then I can intercept whatever is about to happen. Because I like it. My sister keeps it on because she says it reminds her of old phones with hard buttons. That not every instance of anger or sadness on my part was because it must be that time of the month. My dad is a great guy all around, but used to bring that up, even jokingly. Waay too often. I hate those sons of bitches. I'm blind. Because fuck you, that's why. Got over a guy I thought I never will. So I can tell when my kids are up to no good because I hear the little click 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 when they are just looking at something. I like hearing the sounds, it's satisfying for me. Congrats op, you just indirectly created more clicking sound by asking this question. OMG, this is my fucking mom. Click 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 OMFG mom, stop. It gives the illusion of having a keyboard, but I prefer the clicking over the vibrate. I just like them. They sound nice to me. Me like a clickety-clack. I like constant background noise. I only have it on when alone or using earphones. I don't have sound, but have vibration, and it sounds a bit in total silence. It provides me tactile feedback. Because I have a BlackBerry. To know if I accidentally left my phone on ringer instead of vibrate. Sometimes certain apps or videos only play on ringer. When I hear keyboard clicks, it reminds me to turn phone back on vibrate. Coming without touching myself. It's so that I know that I'm clicking the buttons. I genuinely didn't know it bothers people because the sound is relaxing and satisfying to me. Now I'll always be self-conscious about having it on. My wife uses the sounds and it drives me insane. I swear that's the only reason she hasn't switched it off. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.